13015 Caves, Chesterland, Ohio. This house is on a septic tank, huge lot, well over an acre. Double car attached garage, central air. You got a fenced in backyard. Just it's set back from caves, so the traffic's not an issue, but as you can see, you got a lot of parking here. That's a big plus. And here's your fenced in backyard, but it does go all the way back to the woods there. And you have a little cement patio here if you want to use that for coffee or entertainment, but it's just great. It's got the double glass doors coming out. So let's go inside, because this is a really nice layout. It's an open floor plan, and the owners really took great care of it to make sure it's nice. Again, this is a septic and its own well. Let's go in here. So you can see it's a nice place there. All the storage, double car attached. You can go out the back here in the garage, and the side has a little room here, which if you got wet boots, dirty boots, right? Shoes, whatever, this is all nice. Little half bath. Here's your place where you keep all your cleaning supplies, cedar. And then you have a kind of a family room, dining room, whatever you want to make it. This also has vinyl windows, which is nice. Nice and big. And then there's a little eating kitchen here. The kitchen comes with a gas stove and refrigerator. I should also mention that there is a washer and dryer right here by the kitchen. That comes with it. That's nice. All new flooring in here. Here's your living room. There's a fire heater type thing, which is nice. It's black. There you go. It's an eating kitchen. There's that part. And then your 3 bedrooms and bath, other baths here. This is your full bath, big. It's already got the towel stuff in there, so you can shut the door. It's all private. Very nice. And you have the smaller bedroom here. Again, vinyl windows. Very quiet in here. So let me go in here. This is all good. Nice tall closet doors. Here's the 3rd bedroom. That was the 2nd. Again, it's a little bigger. It's got the double decker cabinets. It's just a really, really nice home. So if you're wanting to live in Chesterland, you want a fenced yard, it's a rare find. So this is the end of your virtual tour. Thanks. Have a great day.